People in a small town in New Mexico started hearing a strange humming sound at night, but the weird part was that not everyone could hear it. The mystery became known as the Taos Hum after residents in Taos reported a low noise that sounded like a distant engine running in the background. Scientists brought in special equipment to search for the sound, but no single cause was ever confirmed. It may come from low-frequency sounds made by machines or the environment, or it could be connected to how certain people hear sound. The strange thing is that similar hums have also been reported in other parts of the world. Now the question everyone asking is that, where does the sound really comes from?